My name is Shafiq Ahmed Khan and I am certified coach by AIFF, All India Football Federation. So I would like to say something about children. In my training, in my experience, I have training the coaches last 5 years, and I say so many players are just coming for fitness and playing football. And I'm not forcing to any players to just to become a professional player. I'm just to depend on their habits and physical fitness. So I once again I request to all the parents, please send your child and involve them to any physical activities. And nowadays the football is also growing like a cricket in India. And I once again wish to Indian Super League, and main thing is All India Football Federation. They're providing good and very good opportunities for youngsters. We are providing the good services services applying for fitness. We are focused on fitness and agility and also weight loss, everything, and also drills. It's just not a just for professional player. We are not training to every player to become a professional player. They dream to just coming and lose the weight, everything. So we are focusing especially on professional players, and we will show one time any one player will selected in India team and they represent our country India. One player is coming. One player is coming. The famous. I am not telling the famous is upcoming famous because he's also my student and he's got selected in Hyderabad FC in Indian Super League Club in under 15 category. And I hope, and also we hope, I am behalf of HRS Football Academy, because some my members and coaches is not there for some personal problems. So I hope not just only player, and we are coming for, we are ready, prepare for upcoming selections, national selection, international selections. And when under 15 category players Farhan Patel and Musharraf Khatib, both players have been selected in HFC Football Club. We have now we have only just 5 coaches, and for in future we will organize and we will develop our academies, and we hope at least we are joining at least we are hiring 5 or 10 coaches in our academy, depend on the situations, because this is a pandemic situation. We are not opening and resuming another branches, just we are running with branches, 5 branches in Hyderabad. If anyone want to join this academy, I would like to let you know the timings of academies, timing and dates. This academy is running Monday to Friday and 6 AM to 9 AM. Each batch is only 1 hour slot, depend on performance. Like this levels, one level is beginner and second level is medium and third level is advanced level. So we are providing coaching, basic on specific coaching depending on performance. And this is procedure very easy. We don't need to follow the all rules and regulations, and means just he's come to the academy, or also visited to our website, social media pages, and he's directly come to academy and get the form, just fill up the form, and he's also joined. The beginning age is our academy is above 5 years and no age limit. Because the pandemic situation, we are not allowing an under 5 years or under 7 years. Just we are allowing about 8 years, because this pandemic situation for temporary. Afterwards, when we will get vaccine, anything condition will be fine, we will admission in under 6 years also. We have 5 branches in Hyderabad cities in various areas, and we have almost 150 to 200 students academies, and the 5 branches located at one Tolucheki, and one is Madhapur, and one is Narayanguda, or also Sun City, and one is Old City Bandlaguda. Just we are running it nowadays only 5 branches. Afterwards, whenever we get normal situation, we'll resuming another branches.
मेरा नाम नाम मोहम्मद मनाजिरुद्दीन है। मेरा बेटा है मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा, 4 साल से खेल रहे हैं। स्कूल में भी थे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सेसना से, और HRS में भी है। मोहम्मद सर, शफ़ी सर दोनों को बहुत बेहतरीन है। कोचिंग ज़बरदस्त है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह भरोसा कर सकते हैं। पंजाब वगैरह जाके आए, इंडिया टीम के लिए भी इंशाल्लाह खेलेंगे।
Okay, my name is Razi Ahmed Khan and my son Ayan Ahmed Khan. He is playing since last 1 month, and in lockdown he put on a lot of weight. So that is the reason I get the admission into this in HRS Football Academy. So in 1 month I saw so many benefits, like he is losing the weight as well. His stamina is also increased, mentally and physically he improved a lot. So I'm planning to continue till the school reopens. After that I will try to take in evening. So right now he is coming in morning. So overall the coaches are good professionals, and there are so many tournaments also children are playing. So it's a good atmosphere.
यहाँ पर बेहतरीन HRS एकेडमी में बेहतरीन कोचिंग दी जा रही है, और कोचर्स भी अच्छे हैं, हर चीज़ की फैसिलिटी है। और मैं अदबन गुजारिश करता हूँ कि बच्चों को यहाँ पर एकेडमी में ज्वाइन कराइए, बच्चों के मुस्तकबिल के लिए बहुत अच्छा है।
Hi, my name is Abdul Qadir. I have joined this academy since 1 year, and I'm working for an MNC, and due to this pandemic we are working from home. So this is a great opportunity to be physically fit, and getting associated with the HRS Football Academy will get a platform where we can not only, there will be a good guidance there, the coaches are very professional, they will help you out in getting physically fit. So I would request everyone who wanted to be physically fit to join a sports or to join an academy, and football is a very good sport. It helps us to be physically and mentally fit.
And my father name is Muzaffar Hussain. I am studying in 11th standard. I play in HRS Football Academy. It's a lovely opportunity to be here, and my coaches are very good. Mohammad sir and Shafi sir, they are brilliant coaches. My first day was too good, and I am here from 1 year. It's been a lovely opportunity to play in HRS. They are just not my friends, they are my family.
I would like to thanks, and from bottom of my heart I would like to thanks Sports Diary for giving this and shooting this great videos and encouraging the child and also encouraging the parents, everything. In short, I would like to thanks once again Sports Diary, and I would like to all of you, please like, share and subscribe this channel Sports Diary. Thank you once. Bye.